Hi, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade, and I'm here to invite you all to the Sauyo Stash 2020 March edition. This is an open collaboration where I invite anybody and everybody who loves to stitch to create a video, show what they have created using their stash of fabric, using stitching skill, and share it on this platform together on a specific date and time. Me and some of my friends are very regular to this collaboration, and there is no restriction. You can make any small kind of project or a big project, any kind of sewing project. It just need to do with needle and thread and your stash of fabrics. You can make anything and share your video on 29th March 2020 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I'll create a playlist and you will find the playlist link in the description box of my video on 29th March. If you have any problem adding your video to the playlist, just let me know through the comments or other social network and I'll add your video to the playlist. So 29th March 2020 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, we will all gather again with our sewing project. Any kind of project, small, big, everything helps. So bring your creativity out and let's be creative and do something useful. I want to see more and more people join this collaboration, and I thank each one of you who are preparing for this, and I'll see you very soon. Take care, stay healthy.